What is goody, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, today we had an interesting day. I'm going to get into that, but today is day 3 of our funded trader challenge. If you don't know, I'm recording kind of documenting my whole entire journey from day 1 all the way up until I pass the funded challenge with one of these funded prop firms, and I've been documenting it from day 1 to day 2, and now we are on day 3. Basically, I have $100,000 account, and I need to gain 10% on it without losing 12% or losing 6% in one day. And once I pass that challenge, then I basically get that account and I get all the money. But I really just wanted to do the challenge just to kind of bring you guys along, because I've seen a lot of people doing this or kind of talking about this challenge. I haven't seen anybody documenting the whole journey on YouTube, and I kind of wanted to do it for you guys so you guys can see a realistic person doing it, how long it takes, the type of trades you should be taking, just so you know the mental kind of struggle or battle that you have to go through, and also the technical battle to see what type of trades you should be taking, the type of risk to reward ratio and all that. So that's why I am journaling this whole entire journey. I'm showing you guys every single trade I take, every single loss I take. I'm being completely transparent with you guys. So if you've been enjoying the series so far, smash the like button, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, because I'm a good guy. I'm very entertaining if you have not realized. And you know what else you're gonna have to do so you understand completely and you see all the value that you can get out of this channel? Hit the post notification bell so I'm talking to you. I'm poking the camera, but I'm talking to you. You know what I'm saying? So you can be notified whenever I drop these gems, because these gems is, you know what I'm saying? You ever saw $1 billion before? You have. Every time you click one of my videos, it's worth $1 billion. Congratulations, you're a billionaire. You know what I'm saying? But without further ado, let's just hop right into this. Wait, before we hop into it, I do have to say, Crypto Academy, y'all know it. I talk about it all the time. It's my academy. I show you guys how to trade, whether it be crypto, whether it be DeFi, whether it be freaking Forex, whether it be really anything. There's psychology sections in there. People's making money all the time. I just posted on my Instagram a bunch of different reviews that people have left. I'm gonna throw a couple up on the screen right there so y'all can go look at them. But it's a whole academy that'll take you from 0 to all the way up to 1 million. Well, not 1 million. I'm talking. If you're a beginner, it's gonna take you from beginner to advanced. You know what I'm saying? So if that's something that interests you, Crypto Academy is right there. It's also the first link inside the description. But let's hop right into these trades. Okay, so here we are. My account right now is sitting at $102,800. I basically gained $900 on the account since the last video, which was yesterday, but I should be up a lot more, and I'm going to show you guys exactly why. First of all, I did tell you guys before that I was not able to trade NASDAQ, but now I am able. I figured out it's under a different name on the brokerage or on this funding account, where I am able to trade the NASDAQ, NAS 100. And y'all know, I said this in my last video, the NASDAQ is my little thought. You know what I'm saying? I take the NASDAQ, I grab it by the throat, and I wring it out for freaking money every day. And I was so sad that I couldn't use that on my funded account or the funded challenge account, because I didn't see it. It wasn't under the same name. But then I found out that I can. And since then, your boy's been going stupid. You know what I'm saying? First trade I took, which is this trade right here. Simple trade. I've talked about this strategy before. I show you guys the strategy. It's super simple. I did a whole breakdown on this strategy in my academy. So if you want to see if you want to see every strategy I use, enroll in the academy as a one-time fee. You know what I'm saying? You have access to all the videos, plus all the videos that I do end up adding. And plus, I am about to have a signals chat coming soon. Y'all go follow me on Instagram. It's up. I don't know which way it is. It's up some places. You know what I'm saying? At Juver_. Go follow me to stay updated for when that signals chat comes out, so y'all can take all my trades with me. Where y'all be seeing me take these $22,000 trades, these $14,000 trades, these $8,000, these $10,000 trades. You could be there with me, taking these trades with me, and we could all be making money together. So go follow me on Instagram and stay updated with that. But back to what I was saying. This strategy right here, very simple strategy. If we go to the 15-minute time frame, I lost my place. Where am I? Oh, over. Where is my box at? I literally, what? I literally just had my box right here. Hold on, let me just refresh this. But I took this trade this morning when I woke up, when I figured out that I could. Is this going to refresh back to where I was at? Did I just break my computer? Oh, here you go. Yeah, so I took this trade this morning. As soon as I looked inside the markets, I saw a perfect setup for me. This is my setup right here. It's basically, I have this, all my red boxes are 15-minute support and resistance zones. So we had this nice resistance area Over here, we had touches and it came down, touches and it came down, touches and it came down, touches and it came down multiple different times. So I waited for it to come back up here. This is a very, 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 very quick trade. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw I literally cashed out on this trade in 39 seconds. I was literally counting. It might have been 40 seconds, but let's say I really think it was 39 seconds. It actually wasn't 39 seconds. I don't even know why I said that. It was like 3 minutes or 2 minutes or whatever like that. But I hopped in the trade right on this candlestick right here. Let me show you. I actually didn't hop on this green candlestick. I waited for this green candlestick to go out. Then I hopped in on this candlestick right here, perfectly at the entry of this box. I had my stop loss a little bit above the last high, which was right here. This is a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. Had my stop loss right down here, and I cashed out on $3,000. So I brought my account up pretty nicely up to basically a 5% gain on the account overall. So I only need 5% more to complete the account or to complete the challenge. So I was up pretty nicely on this, you know what I'm saying? And of course, I saw another entry, but I messed up because I wasn't looking at the right chart. I was looking at the right chart. I was looking at GBP JPY right over here. I don't know which trade it was. I'm actually in this trade right now, profitable. Let me show you guys it. Yeah, I'm in this trade right now, but this isn't on the funded challenge. This is on my regular account. I still am trading my regular account, but I got in on this trade right here. But you know what I'm saying? I thought I was getting in on this trade right here. I was trying to trade GBP JPY. So I was looking at the GBP JPY trade or chart on my computer, but when I put it into MetaTrader, it was still on NASDAQ. So I ended up getting into a sell position roughly around, or a buy position, sorry, roughly around this area right here on NASDAQ. So I thought I was trading GBP JPY, but I was on the NASDAQ. So I ended up losing money because I got in the trade, and before I realized that I had entered into the wrong currency, I was down like $900 or something like that. So I quickly closed the trade. I was going to hold it to see if I can get my money back and break even on it, but I was like, let me just close it so I don't blow this funded account. So that was very, very sad for me. You know what I'm saying? I woke up, hit 3 bands, easy. You know what I'm saying? I was happy. Then I saw another setup that I wanted to take. Bada boom, bada bing. I put in the wrong currency. That was completely my fault. And due to that, I actually, I messed up, not messed up, but I hurried and I wanted to get my money back. It's something called revenge trading. I've talked about this before. The psychology of trading is the hardest part when it comes to all this trading stuff. If you don't have your psychology down pat, you'll make a bunch of different mistakes. And that is one of the mistakes I made today. I'm being completely honest with you guys. You know what I'm saying? I lost that $900 because I stupidly put in the wrong currency. Or I wasn't paying attention to the currency that I was actually using or buying or selling on my MetaTrader 4 app. And it wasn't the same currency that I was looking at on my trading view chart. But I stupidly messed up and lost $900 on that trade. So I was like, dang, I gotta make that back. I gotta make that back. So I rushed into this trade right over here. This trade right here. So I saw it come up here in this area. Let me draw it out for you guys. I saw it come up in this area, and I knew it was gonna reverse right here, right? Well, I saw it reverse again. Let me go down to the 5-minute time frame so y'all can see exactly what I'm looking at and why I rushed into this trade and why it messed up. So I saw it come and reject this area. You know what I'm saying? One time it came up here, rejected it. I thought that it was going to come up again and reject it again. But usually what my smart self does most of the time, I'll wait for it to come down, then come back up, then show me a confirmation candle that is coming back down, and then hop into the trade for a sell. So I ended up hopping to a trade without waiting for the confirmation candle right as soon as it touched this box. So I got in a little bit right here. I made my trade right here. I put the stop loss right above the last high, which is right here. And I put my take profit down on this box again. My first take profit right here at this last low. So I had multiple take profits on this trade, but it did not even get to that because, as you see, due to me not waiting for my confirmation for it to actually reverse and reject this zone, the price ended up just shooting straight through it, and I lost another $600 basically off rip. Like, I lost it in literally like half a freaking second. It was the saddest thing in the entire world. So then I was like, dang, my life sucks. I just lost half of the money that I just made this morning. I still ended the day profitable, but it still sucks that I messed up that first trade, which made me revenge trade and eagerly hop into this trade right here without waiting for my confirmation, waiting for all of my signals to hop into the trade. But I did want to come on here and show you guys that, you know what I'm saying, no matter how long you've been doing this, I've been trading for over 3 years now. Well, probably 2.5 years. Yeah, probably 2.5 years now. And I'm still making the same psychology mistakes as does most people that trade Forex. No matter how long you've been doing it, any type of trading, stocks, crypto, Forex, whatever it is, we still can be weak-minded sometimes and succumb to revenge trading or eagerly hopping into trades without waiting for all of our confirmations. And that's exactly what I did. And that's all due to me messing up and clicking the wrong currency and selling or buying the wrong currency. I don't remember which one it was, but entering a trade on the wrong currency and wanting to make my money back that I lost. You try and make your money back from the market, and the market will make you suffer. Just remember that. But those are the 3 trades I took today. I still did end up profitable today, which is still good, but I would have been up so much more if I did not freaking mess up, you know what I'm saying, and mess up those last 2 trades. Even if I lost one of those trades, I should have just stopped in the first trade I lost, but hey, I didn't. It's okay. We'll be okay. I can show you guys the trades right here, actually. If we go to account history, we can see them right here. So actually the second page. So these are the 3 trades I took. I did this first buy right here. This was a 0.01 lot size, just because I was testing the lot size to see how much it was, because it's different from my actual broker that I use. But as you see, I got this one made $2,985, so basically $3,000. Then I lost $814 on the one that I accidentally went into. And then I lost $582 on the second one that I took, trying to make my money back. So that is all the trades I took. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Even though I was profitable today, I was still beating myself up the entire day. I knew I shouldn't have hopped into those trades. I knew I should have been more careful on choosing the right currency that I'm actually placing these bets on. But I am very excited that I can trade the NASDAQ, the NAS 100, you know what I'm saying? Because y'all know I'm the GOAT with it. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all be seeing me post all these screenshots. But I'm low-key tired of going slow. I told y'all this in one of the videos recently. I think it was the last video I put out in this challenge, that I wanted to take it slow and all this. I'm tired of that. You know what I'm saying? I'm upping the lot sizes. I'm getting a little bit more risky. I'm trying to just hurry up and beat this challenge, you know what I'm saying? Because I have another challenge I want to do. I want to do a $100 to a $1,000 challenge for you guys. So that should be lit. So once I finish this challenge, then I'll hop into the next challenge. But I'm going to hurry up with this one. So tomorrow, you'll either see a big win or a big loss. Because if I up the lot size and I lose, I'm only going to trade one time. I'm not going to trade multiple times. Because y'all remember, I can't lose more than 6% on one day. So if I lose big, I'm done. But if I win big, well, I'm not done. I'm done for the day. But if I win big, then the account size should be up pretty nicely. So tomorrow we're going crazy, so stay tuned for that video. But that is the end of the video. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram at @juver_ to stay updated with everything I'm doing, when I'm coming out with my signals chat and all that. I'm posting updates on that all the time. My signals chat is going to have where y'all can follow every single signal I put out, every single time I enter into a trade, whether it be a GBP JPY trade, a US 30 trade. I barely trade that because US 30 hates me. NASDAQ trade, y'all can get all those. And I'm also going to have a course included in the signals chat. So I'm gonna have a whole mini course on how to get started. If you've never done Forex trading before, I'm gonna have a whole mini course in there included with the subscription for the signals chat. So it should be lit. So if you want to stay updated for all that, plus see all the trades that I'm taking and just see my whole life overall, definitely suggest y'all go follow me on Instagram at @juver_. And yeah, that's really about it. You know what I'm saying? Go look at all your trades, go look at all your crypto, good luck on your birthday party that nobody's throwing you. Good luck on your business if you have one. Good luck on life as a whole, man. And I'm see you on the next video.